What are you doing? And the 29th day in the month of June 2020. Kidam Padaroma will so at the year aircraft. The transit, I'm not saying, now you see the P or white Ghana. Some of what Equaso now eat your question. I can say, and you know, your fast for the various business schools, JHS3 or more Assasia or more Apple School. Maybe you are PPs, no, in young countries, no one Apple School. You also mean the camera. Or she said about Frano, SC, Ashell, Nooksmas. Now, Omoko School, I think say yes, you are poised to learn. Said the Bayer and Yamabiti upon Kaya Trans Binyamre, I think Comanra, and the 13th time is Excellency the President, and no man Ekasai, actually, Modimba or Eddie Aquatia, the noble coronavirus. So, and the all year at the Abua Omwa, Omu I made me fear, especially the Ghana Health Service, for a nurse, for a doctor, for and I for Maka. And on a Mortuary Worker Association of Ghana. I say 50% bonus and nurse for head officers no. Omodie you me free. Teacher for the business could now I buy you front line workers. I said one now so nurses for the idea. I then can the one house you say yes no. See anyway. You be na get in como when we say I'm here much na and the controversial voter registration exercise no for the new register no cost. Na nyame adoma ochina edie no na NDC asha se ewo Ketu South na voter region ho na omokoye weekly briefing no say NPP for person fa asoja for military men esisi wo edi no huna nkrofo a Ketu South and some part of the voter region na no dey so nra KTM na council bi ho nkomo ewo ha me no ka say a flower traditional council na no matter nkonya ababonten abekasa say said military men na don abebu voter region mo treat o brutalize o nkrofo intimidate o nkrofo no ani enyan ebeya abana na roma won sa fo mo anya sa already a statement na what kokoba o mo ede aboga na ban na afi so the military enra na said on the Saturday and on my Ghana and people no neck and executive kusiaya asa a confirm His Excellency na da Kufuado say on sign and to asu vie nine o wie no and on so Vice President Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia edin so on the ben running mate some there bebre na Dr. Bawumia and so atumi ede to just say in fact say wuja a good vice president na say president na what so ono edi animu we incompetent we insensitive untimi nya duma bia bi na to mahama ene ne crop sa na vice president Dr. Lajo Muhammadu Bawumia aka no mo si nyuma o mo aye no aban bia ne ho a waba wa yesa nyuma na emom ko baba pa nso o mo no mo de pa another fourth republican we John Dramani Mahama is excellent for president Finwa in a year. Now, the acclamation of His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo na Enyago, Hong Kong, ya transi basically na yet to be at the Shannon so say name for go be dim kobo and my guest at transi we studios. Now, me try my home rasi here back. The Benjamin na fi yet to me at the kobo. You be call voter region. Yeah, say exactly what is happening. Voter region intimidation. No, saying the city Ankasa. Is the Electoral Commission ready? Say nyame eya domwa ochina ebesha se na ya trading wa Ghana na what has been the publicity across the country who nim baby a ochina ba ko trudi no ana te say na isite bidin e de Michael nana adoma kon wetimi afremi say Mike emphasize that emphama God's way casket omo enna ifana ka papa no omo ye e de adesia tum bra nyame ato nsa e de afremi sanso and as the case ni bi enko emphama his Herbal Center Dr. Mohammed Isa Bebiu award winner ba yare ay de yare dia opa no a na yese opa ku wa nsa ko mu izo na mo masi odu na mo maso do mi able ho na mo is ewo sharing so say we are live on Facebook Kumawo TV and on YouTube Sam Darkus TV yɛmfa aseda nso ɛmfa ɛma ɛdwo so afiase mponua hene nana kwaku asare bedi akɔne second nana ono apamfo nana wata ko nyina no ɛkyɛ wo na yɛ twɛ ho mmra yɛ ba yɛbɛtena ase ne ahyɛ aseɛ asi bi for me sound Yes, I am a Wapaba, I'm a Sinopi on Commonwealth TV. Senator, self identity of the issues we're discussing in there on 0543 596 070 0543 596 070. Yamre, I can kind of to me at the Mananante, Yamre can kind of to me and found out. Honorable Nana Prempe, in charge of revenue came. Honorable.
But you so, Yami go susray.
What if it?
Namiadum.
So, you want to need
say Kumasi Fusika to Kwajabana de Kumasi Ejuma. Would on Sabuma Samato. Contract.
Right. Someone in Sassedi, a Ashanti Regional HEFRA coordinator and an NPP communication team. Tama Baba.
Sama Kenya.
We have a coordinator.
Yɛde nyankopɔn no ase wonim sɛ mpp deɛ ɛnyaba yɛnyaba ɔman mu ha ɛkyɛ sɛ biribiara ɛkɔ no port continue former president ɛkae we are synonymous to development nti na yɛ mutu no ɛyɛ freedom to develop.
And then Honorable Richard Bra, parliamentary candidate in Shares Constituency, NDC. Honorable Baba.
Senior Medasi.
What a party me Baba?
Ushe Ghana. Ghana was a party or dream or mine who pa. I won't be able to be in such a year new party as we be in Kabum. Party any moon. Men carry in a media. A year NDC. Intimate dog, NDC, semi NDC dormant. Yeah,
right. But it can be on COVID-19. Still, on the cases no. A straw and an echo. Your president is a piano. I'm said, you hear Saka attitude not in a crabby. So far, we have 17,351 cases and are recording in Ghana. New cases 609 just a day, and 9 deaths in a day. You will see that. Say a shot here. And then we have 112 deaths in the country, 12,994 recoveries, and then active cases here 4,245. On our health worker. Said I didn't see in 2 minutes. I didn't know what's here. Said the baby with me because I understand said community spread.
Yeah, I was a year yeah,
okay.
Need to observe the protocols. That's number one. And now we need to avoid stigma. Yes, we would have been winning the battle little by little against COVID. So I'm telling you, so I'm crying for the very general action as a movie. Only say stigma na ye can it's more or less unconscious idea. Who can say that now nipa and can say I think I will spread much more in the communities. Only say when
but I'm kind of say maybe you be when you be what to say be a man for stigmatizing a man for cast when you be a man who be sad and I don't know say you want to be who be sad when you be a man for Pamano, Emma Air by said there is a beer, you soon say. I gave it to you.
Any example? Me, now be home for me after election. My own friends are me know businesses. What must say? We send me say, oh, in heavy, anyway. We saw saying, say, you see, baby, I don't want to mention the names of the drugs, send where people would be self-medication. You see, why were they saying that? They were suspecting, said, let me have a You see, yet, now you're yari answer. What must I say? Now you're yari answer, you're in the body. It doesn't mean, say, so, Ubinu, I don't make a crack, let us say, why didn't they be thinking of malaria or thinking of any other form of disease now? And now on my prescriptions. Every cry a video actually send up me so sorry media critics though man body I don't know how they are not all but I just think say it was a form of stigma. What must I say? We do it without
no.
Yes. It's hard, I was say you're conscious, not yes, as a Obia, onka. And then by say onka, he will spray it without knowing.
Okay. Bravo.
Senior.
Abai
Ankasa Abekase COVID no any habit. Which I felt it's an unfortunate statement. The entire year buying say, Obejiji. Agreeing to what we are the agreeing by. Now, one way you would hear, now the year, we had the COVID fight in Oklahoma, there's no proper planning. Ain't the Americans are we had lockdown nearby and now COVID, we were around 200 and something reported cases. You left here the following week near 2,000 aircraft.
You left in 1,041.
Yes. And next year, we are almost 18,000, which means and more of the community spread no for some reason ye mududu na ebi brand jindi can you believe say ne as ye ka say obi njindi ye tene de bia omo njindi say wo but you see covid nya dia nka wo say wo pese odi wani be hunu because say ye wa ye mu bi wo bi kura na emu a e wo say ye check mu nyina just even waiting for the results no enye easy we say enti baby e kono edin
the question is a dear that was ye
abaina ka che say life e wo ye nse enti me wo hwa ina media me ani bibi e hye mani
face
yes and I was say abobro ye nsa do it more enye 100% guarantee say wuntumi nya bi but at least a or risk and so na still I making sure say ye ni nipa hu kitamude for almost 3 months me ji obi answer mu da me ka pro obi antena front me mallet bata sa
no e sa bit me
obi ahwe ni on set ni no ma obeya obe reduce obo say ye nyina ye ebo modern sa na ebe boy but the numbers it doesn't look good.
Right. I'm friend. Una mo kebe is the agenda mo we do problem ni pa no bo sa.
So say agenda mo. O say agenda mo.
For me, say kwa man for ton ni ma o pa.
Wonim.
Is ko for break ni so ko.
Ma menche ade. Say nyi nyame adom. Ana nyame de adodan kwa kufu adobedom Ghana ebrewe mu ya. Ene koye die ni nim dada ya. Ka ba joni di ande di Kenya ya uko. Oh, na hwe Yankopon nyansa ne nim di ya odi adom no. Hwe odi agu akwam. What's the active case you're saying? You have 4,000 something. And our recorded cases was 18,000 something. Recovery is you're saying?
Recovery is 12,994.
What does it? May there be a mechanic, you are ready, any particles. What does it? But I say, you are by and the more of my pain, that woman, on the number yet two. And then she say, you did go aquam. And no, I thought it was that kind. Frontline workers, was I standing among 3 months?
And now more than about 50%. They tell me, say, my.
Oh, Master. Uchi.
Yes.
I buy your car. Who you doing with your upper money in your office?
I buy him TI. Now, sir, we get the camera. Meanwhile, the promise of a 50%. In your mind.
So, Uchi, your car say, your water bill free, light bill half. So now go for me say, and you ain't me that. My boy. Here, a dear was here. I was say the necessary protocols no. You was observing ye. Na stigma na honorable kano. And only I do see if you need fire. Okay, me no me no show you. Me catch you say. Jachi ya boga bi a obaye. Ni yire kura tete so me de ne fam. Ndu free say so oba ni nya bia. Obeka. One fear the any wo kura be she dem a de adwendwena wu. Because your chase any kura from which aba I am very sure you can say you quarantine no. Also koto ade kura opi abontan no obi adwane. Ajo. Enti san ne ma no say yin ne ya hwe say obi nya bi ne ho ato no. Eti say malaria yawo. Eti say onya fever. You treat you ne kwa eko.
112 days so far.
In fact, I'm not happy.
The president keeps on saying he said one of the lowest.
Of course.
Africa.
Of course.
One day around country, no, listen. Let's be real. Ubu ohani fi nipa 10 kwa ubu anyama. Because omuke uba. Ubu also makukule ubu papa. So comparing the deaths, they say one of the lowest in Africa.
Unim. The truth is hard, but Bible they say you need no credit. You can't no credit. The credit be me ayadishi. I do what they say. sebi aponche kura na wo ye na awe no wo wu adechi no wu a anaka abona wo di yawo enjo mampanyina ye di o mana so ne sa no wo mpeda se nipa ba kokura bewu pajo what you say but the reality is you say pa amampanyina na abandi agu akwan mu no ye mpese nipa ba kokura bewu but what they compare other countries, the rate of death, the rate of mortality now, it means we are doing well. Though we are not encouraged, we are not happy.
You can't say we are doing well, no. You were doing well, that now, yeah, better 3,000.
We are still doing well.
Okay.
Who himself, and yet, as you say, pa, can make me a catch or say, Bianca, death rate, no, and Bianca num over 500. And then a little bit 12,000 higher recovery. And then you say, pa, but they go, Kwamuntra.
I'm watching. I have 2 minutes, but I think I'm getting a bit weird. Chairman,
Yes.
the issue of say now Niparodoa or any the emphasis said young shen nose mask, did we have it wrong initially? Time I call up them nose mask not and said I had there
It was not even
part of the we know not the upper and say young race, then use hand sanitizer. In your wrong as I speak with you, and then European Union our person say upon the recommendations have countries are mark some of them be on borders no starting from what 1st July Ghana, Africa, Ghana and Nigeria. No European country and won't be on borders there, but not to us. And then US is part, China, I think Russia and Qatar. What did they mean? Tell you, I didn't see cost one. Yeah, the other now you keep on saying we are doing well.
So you see, about funny dear, sir, you see, you share near Sana Musi or Munyama Adia Etisu a year. We should know, sir, they have always been unfair.
Unfair
to the blacks.
Oh,
yeah.
No, they didn't say Mali cannot come. It's Ghana and Nigeria.
Yes.
Because the rate of infections.
You see, they are behaving like ostriches and putting their heads on the sand. You see, what we are doing, Burkina Faso now, they don't do that. What we do in Ghana here is, we do aggressive contact tracing. We trace you and look for you, identify you. When you have the disease, then we begin to treat you. Sana Ghana, yeah. When omo nyasa omo tifie obiba hospital na odi malaria ba na omo take opportunity na omo asani samples akeke say o yare ni dia. That's what they do. But nyasa. They say Sasemike ena eba hospital na omo yare ni dia. No contact no ye beji afi no ho na ya trace omo nyina make sure say you are taking samples from them na ya be test. Because Omuna Obutin can say Ghana is of top notch because trace aggressive testing even in Europe some of them.
Okay. My so in Volta region and in Kati South, I be told you say the military Volta region no and Nyagro ama NDC I have press conference and many the regional secretary for NDC in Volta region James Gunu Egodin Komo James Otianka Yamawajo ever seen the piece so very well. Parama Boyan NDC press conference and Moya Ketu South concerned the military Ababi Gugono. Most how Pano anything about the deployment of these military men in Ketu South.
Yo, me that say my Mitchell we're careful now. Sama can any say military deployment upon ayeno yeninjimu because ufie mupa nkrofono the reasons are and ho any say be prevent yen crofo say bepa get to south and within Ghana na ba no ye Ghanaians nye Togolese enti say apan aye hihye say Ghanaians wo UK, America, Canada, China, and other countries about INCC bra. Na obi ewo next door oye Ghanaian obetumi ananti across border na wapa na oni na ebusia atina agent na ose si omukwan na say yenya ni tie say Ghanaian footballers bia na omuwa manoni omuwa achi omu ni biani edi omu ni sika omu resident permit expire apply the aeroplane aye shishete pese Ghanaians omuwo sa countries no omu bechi omu nti omu mbra efie no se ye nyina yesi o apa ayade enti so be to me the bicycle now across abanifie ewa ha obi be to me afaka now aba aha na ose sani pano die onka oman no ho essence or Votarian and answer of revoltarism and the onu there onye Ghanaian and the ma on back and I say there be ma apply 3 Votarians no sir but in any case say abai say okay ma yenfa ma yenfa nasi ebra Ghana ana ma fa moto ana bicycle ebra Ghana enti abadi aeroplane ba Togo ana be ko Togo na odi ye ni anuma omo hu echi omo ewo ho edi aba omanuma edi aba onye stade no because you were ana February this year, and for almost Katanga, our Togo, about 2,500 Ghanaians, almost like disaster, okay, our Togo, Katanga, and the almost relief items, echo, Akoma, 2,500 Ghanaians, and I said over 2,500 Ghanaians. Almost the relief items aqua comma and the sa uncropona modi relief items no aqua comma na ene almost who true and the almost here na o se ma omumba
Baba Ganu
Argentina aban authority and but honorable people they are on the ya message no etugwa no okama amano eti asese tebio okrofo ya omu ebu amano eneno omu the same thing osagifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah omu osi onye Ghanaian of Liberia ena atemdidie almost study the same thing His Excellency Fly Lieutenant General Rollins say ni papa enye Ghana ni almost the ayenu sa ni mami na oye Ghana ni mami kura Africa Jelukope keta na omu Jelukope keta kura no omu bu omu se omu ye Ghanaian enti asamno epa no yekai say it is just because of this election regional minister say odebi enyesa COVID-19 na COVID-19 no eyede tuo na yedi fighting COVID-19 yedi tuo na yedi fighting no MC ya all get to serve so oti dabi na honorable Katie Hammond wa expose aban no okay say enta say omo amuwo aflawo ana ketu na border towns no omo nye Ghanaians na election na ana registration na eba no omo pese sankrofo no omo ye Ghanaians omo ye voters no omo pese omo betro omo di no enti na omo di soldier for no na migration officers na police or armed police officers no omo di akogu ono aho enti abai anamo a odu ewo eastern corridor frontiers eastern borders no enya dia ahinfo omo any nji ho everybody is talking about it say omo treaty enye omo di yako aflawo no small girl dia ọkọ akọjọ ni final exam ẹwọ Togo ọmọ pronusa ma akọra no tètè ọyàrí.
Right. Ganu wa fẹ́ tìmí akara dárò ma.
Ó dé.
Bọ̀mí akara sẹ́mu yà wọ́ ẹ̀sẹ̀ yàtọ̀tọ̀ borders mu diẹ.
Mèsì yàtọ̀ borders mu yẹn nyinaa yẹ ni sẹ́ yàtọ̀ borders mu but ọmọ àmọ́fin America yẹ di plane kọ́ fún ọmọ no. Yẹn two borders no asa na yẹn kọ́kọ́ fún ọmọ aba.
Ìdìbàjò adé na mo nyẹ sẹ mo sọjà sísẹ obi ọyẹ Ghana ni bia na akọka Togo no aban kọfọ ọmọ mmra na nka ẹnyẹ simple.
Okay.
Na mi bisa sẹ adé na nka NDC ẹ sọjà sísẹ there are more Ghanaians because the two border mu nti no ọmọ akọka Togo mu ntimi ẹ mma back to Ghana. It is said about no year, Emma, you know, be around more you can know. And Papa go for Mumra, Nanka, emphasis on Dimra dance accusations here and there.
Complaints are any said, Omoko, Ghana embassy or Togo cry, Yamamu crack Omo, Emra, embassy or Grana, Omo the complaints be Akoma. Ambassador na our Togo.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
The best option, panel is saying, what do you think the government
Yama apply up to close of day tomorrow? Actually, say, Omo withdraw our troops, no, our terrorists now, Omo di akoku borders, no, because me see terrorists because who care the kind of professionalism now. Ọmọ demonstrate wà ọ̀nà ọ̀bẹ̀wò clearly sẹ̀ bèbèrè náà ọmọ yẹ MPP vigilante ta ọmọ anya military uniform àti because me as a student cadet for Air Force me who professional soldier I know na this is a professional soldier. The way nipa no ọbẹ nàìjí kura no ọbẹ who say ọyẹ professional soldier and these are MPP apparatchis ọmọ recruit ọmọ into the regular service and force ọmọ di ọmọ akọkọ bọdà no so.
Ghanaians ọmọ ànyẹ ní nyàmé àdúmọ̀ 24 hours àmọ́dé àmà ọmọ nù.
Sẹ ọmọ ànyẹ a. The regional chairman, Brigadier General Henry Kojo Amenefi, Wakano, our press conference Nancy, say our plan B for these people. And they should wait for the plan B if they fail to withdraw the troops.
The airport will know, in there, I say, yeah, and before how we move my new.
What you say?
Mr. Say, any but I'm fine with this issue that I'm not sure, sir. At the end of the day, no, I'm sure you're not more man.
I know me too question you.
Too bad, but now you say, Say I'm far but unresolved this issue that when you say a be an amfa and my papa moment now or the Wahali Basabasaba.
Yeah, wow, Ghana is a democratic nation. Wow, development. Wow, now development so bad. You said your peace. Wow. Now voters are peace-loving people. But if you dare them, but if you harass them, if you intimidate them, they will show you the other side of them. You understand?
Okay.
And we have been very quiet, we've been very respectful, but where it has gotten to, we cannot breathe. We cannot breathe. Voters cannot breathe. Voters along the borders of Ghana and Togo, they cannot breathe. And after all, we have border towns in other regions, like Western region, Western North. If you go to Upper East, Upper West, there are border there are border towns over there. Why border region only? Why?
Okay. Then, yana se pa bi ani odaroma ye be saba o na mi sha pa se onya meri amaye.
Yo, me so me da wa se.
Good. Awusia eguso ACDP mene Honorable James Ganu ono ena ye NDC voter regional secretary and the mom and what so we say military deployment and as a soldier for e ma go to south and a part of the voter region no Ghana border so no enya bro omo say intimidation and as a buy no e be so intimidate voters say dey ya e fie bi e be so monument mo go twa mu dey kura nya me am starting tomorrow na enyo mo kwa na dey aba we have a releaser and no the traditional council aflawo traditional council e dey aba omo say soldier for omo e wo voter region any to south no the omo ye e bi and say omo e gbura o dem a omo ye unnecessary search from the traditional council. That's what they are saying. So that for the gbura dem no ye unnecessary search e bi mo so kra no e wo twi moto a omo chiwa no mo bo e wo moto ne so na no I can say with the last end of their release no. That is what I want to read for all of us to at least think about it and see I'm sure you are no mind no ye hu ne ma yi sa say dey ko my quote them, because we are peace loving does not make us cowards. When the fire is lit, there will be no turning back, and the said fire will consume everything in its path. And I don't make us say so my din na say anhwe no come ho a itabato Ghana we aflawo traditional council no omo nsamo a na wa continue issue no ye di hun ko no e hun ya say na bi di hun ko yi pa they have raised other issues say it is not only Kita South and Kwa na Ghana border so ye wo elibu any other borders ye be ko hori akubisa say konso pampo na so da fo no bu as we have in Kita South and some part of the Bota region ye busu din ko I didn't tell you nyamre enkenkan enfama well COVID-19 no and I say obi ahwe no yi correct the yamwe ho ban good I mean shall say on this issue of military deployment and those things are general secretary for your party eka say aban was for the papa and a really 2020 elections you say can man bring that around some can no no dey na kan say no the cost for voter suspicious akra ya kwa isa so be person papa we should be akra KTM on Bekane but then the party NPP has distanced themselves from KTM statement say KTM on part of it so one can say they interpret exactly what na mo NDC for mo pen mo nzamba no embe so be ya mo what tell them to trading but this controversies and misunderstanding I share from the voter
senior Mire Apple as a Ghanaian. You see, the MPP are near him under Professor Dubuani. The MPP are not him under former President Kufuor, Papa Baby or Bianyamenka. and yet no MPP and another you. You see, young cite examples to be Katie Hammond, or yet any ordinary member in the MPP, former deputy energy minister, or minor Japadia to say drill ship, or Mona Yaman Cotonia, or minor Japadia did 2 oil, you did 2 fango yet under MPP President Kofo, Katie Hammond Cotonia. Nanado Bayano, yes, one man post here. But Katie Hammond is one of the longest serving members of parliament. On one Kasa Congress, over 15 years in the new journalists, Bisan some no rattle, you know how Osikasa. What bono, Crampa on tape. Where Tunia Becaway, said, what a free voter region. Not the BB Batabata, who young in some when you're gonna for. And then what to me succeed. Nana to me a water region too. Say, yeah, the population size, and when you're digital regions, more water region, or Moya Saya, who coach too, some other regions be. For political gains, you are dividing the people, and today, who know. You see, Yawa, so by election, DNC and another by election, one Ayawa, so the evidence is clear. Intimidation, no intimidating Yama, NDC police out. Almost all mobile voter register. Ehem for Akabi, as of Wakabi, and Penny for the Bray Kabi. Tomorrow they are doing it. Tiobia. What's it? And then the woody military men and they fight COVID. COVID and so a Nipa they carry COVID. Nipa and a day virus and then anti cases about and every outside. And I'm buying such a burning tea. 1 to 2 borders. The anti-African COVID-19 years, I shall say 2019. Tell many you close to Ghana borders. Now, a woman. And then say what's it with the soldier for fight COVID because a man for free Togo. When you say Ghana, your case is not also say Togo. What's in your testing? Then now maybe. But the records are there. Me bomb from Google. Every country in the world, Ghana, dear Baba. We are not doing better. Nana prepare honorable. Or say Yana Nadu na Wawa. Can they never see? Yafa Ebola. Any example? Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, or by year example, or the energy doomsday crisis, and or they call pandemic, Yadia way. And then another brother is telling us, Sanyana Nandua, it is true. Poor planning, bad government. Nipe who woman figures in over 100 people. And what's here? It is the least in Africa. Hey, they say the human life does not matter. Nipa 1, 2, 3, 100 who? What are they doing in voter region? What's it with your borders? Oh, petrol borders. Because Togo for the COVID the bedroom. When would the end also say Togo? Togo should rather be doing this to us. You see, my ear emotional because me were bushing for a free voter region. Me were bushing for a free voter region. What is going on? It's not fair. Today you may be MPP. What you are chanting region? Who went on Sabbath one more to him? No, what's it? But I said, because maybe as I talk for any 2 years, I am crying. Any chanting region. We are leading.
We are trying hard to get a report of Kitusa. Now, of course, none more time come here, so they can say, and I'm wondering if it's true. So you have people will be there. Say yes, you see, but it's not the first time one. Senior, so therefore no senior. Ghana, your history, your national buying penny. So if you are telling me this is not the first time, we are in a civilian government. You were soldier, you were police, you were navy, you were army. They are all immigration. They all play a specific security role. Are we under military government? Almost 10 and some more Mabu Bonnet, you will promote.
they are not only on the borders. If you were those there, me were I'm telling you, I'm boiling inside. They are telling us in Ashanti region here, say the almost said you them 1 year Busiabi won't will be free won't what he had was because I'm cow, yet ye what's the way you're then? I didn't COVID, you're starting your case March. 1 month soldier for now petrol borders, you know. We would have said, say, and yet elections, India, and yet registration.
Almost that is what.
And Tia Fanessa, you get Tiamon Kai and Yande. You get Tiamon Kai, say, or more Paco prevented Togo for.
But is it not also we say?
Let yourself to use, yes, it may be Ashanti region, NPP was leading, and results from Ketu came and he turned everything. What was he saying? Who does a Ketiamon or Kasa like that? You see, a Yadi NPP and another Oma Bobo Oma planning, and they are executing it. That is why we see what we are saying. See, in Tigana for this thing cannot continue. 7th December, 7th January 2021. We must let this thing stop. We are very peace-loving people. You see, I'm worried. Do you understand that? You don't dare these people. You see, Abella was straight. You go back to me the South Crash and Wamoto. No bossy hey. And you are telling us, say Nanadua. Ebola by and Nanadu sounded a warning to Mahama. Say, Ghanaians should not forgive the man if he are a Kodua. Mahama, yeah. Today, among who, as we speak, Achana, I bet you, Achana, you give a higher figure with regards to COVID infections, you know. And they are telling us a recovery. So today it's normal to get COVID and recover. Even going into the entire use those we say. Almost say, a binomunya 14 days in a pound, wash then, or to be transferred into Yamomunya. And they are recording them as recovered. Okay. It's Africa, they do 10,000, from 4,000, they do 24 hours, 96,000.
I think I've given you enough time.
You should give me more than the time. I want MPP 42, and you are telling me you have given me enough time. What am I saying? MPP 42. Now that MPP. That is how come he is speaking as he is doing. As someone look at the way Chairman M1 Nanado did. Now Assemblyman Nanado. What was his issue? COVID-19. Into Mose, what is the plan? What is government doing? Mose more fighting COVID-19. At a point, no more 3,000 something. Almost a true peak. Today we are going to 18,000. How do you call this? Peak it. Another day, it's going.
Obviously, or Sinupi on Commodity in Amre, now a Sinupi. Said you didn't come off John Ramani Mahama, His Excellency, was said the airport swarm, His Excellency, another one. Now, Omasu, I answer, entry, my thing said, the airport of Butari, you know, the one any especially coming from a commenter as Adansia Squad, Masabi, Honorable Katie Hammond, Emeki, I think, I'm very able to do for General in American kind of town. Minty, what's the regional secretary for the NDC? Yes. Butari, what's the other commentaries are Eba, the Kosipra Kraka, dear John Ramani Mahama, a statement of the Abba, NDC, dear Mo Aka, and dear Adam Fonso Eka. Do you think it's fair? Say, no crescent, a soldier for no ill rank for them, boom from Timothy Sonia, to the extent that chiefs, a traditional council will come out to say, yeah, you're careful that. It won't be other woman, but what am I, the BCSC?
Any kind of the bonfire fair has my and group, sir. na Niami can say Yama Pupes and prevail. Now, number one, I'm tackling them one after the other. Number one, the party as MPP have given a statement distancing the government from Katie Hammond. Okay, that's number one. Number two, Katie Hammond and Kasa on Kasa.
Did you listen to the video?
Yeah, I have the video.
Okay.
The video is here.
Okay.
Is that not it?
Yes. Yes.
That's the video. Fine. On one Kasa, on Kasa. And that is been misquoted for political capital.
Now, to the video then.
When them said, Yan Yamu NDC4, Amunim and AFR. Misquoting somebody or deliberately twisting it for political gain. In himself, na Papa also on Kasa video stood down about it. We know you know, you better listen to video. Papa one Kasa Voltaire regime. Voltaire and Samunya Ghanaian on Kasa. He did not say that. The video is here.
But okay, I said, I'm going to go and take the trends. The military men are there, and they're so kind of sad.
Me back one after why you see me 2 minutes. Now, the next one we say, almost see, Emrebi disaster this year, and they call to a comma gun of 1 or more relief items. For that matter, we should allow the police to come and infiltrate our ways.
That's not what I see.
No.
No, that is not what I see.
But that's what I understand.
No, but that's not what I see.
Okay,
Higher CNP. Almost say Ghana for. Togo. It is a BBC in a command behind the hand, and a Ghana for one
and no more than all we did say, young fat, a young China, and this Campo China, young uncle. I don't know, and then almost Kai China for say, Uncle for women and is that only, did you only go to Togo to be relief items? Young China. Cry a daily trivia, some Ablapa. Oh, yeah, daily trivia. I don't know, and then more officer China for one. Oh, yeah, Ghana for. You see? What they are saying, what they are not telling the people, we said, people from Togo come into Ghana to come and register. They are not telling the truth. Mumaya Sinupi has said, nobody is saying Voltaireans are not Ghanaians. Obia ni Ghana have a better assassin and you cannot be our baby. What must say? But Togo for me back at the register. There's a video, I'm a journalist. Anybody, that video, all that video. He is not hiding his face anywhere. Or a journalist. And now, Voltaire is in an air casano, they are identifiable in there. Almost in K2 South. What they do, is say, when it is time for voter registration, almost 2 or 4 every big at the register. Almost you have no voter ID card, not some few individuals. No more call. When it's time for voting, no more back. No, we are a common these are video evidence done by a journalist. It's everywhere. You see, Ghanaians are watchable, our Ghanaians, I put a Ghana passport and Ghana ID card. They are coming to and from as we speak right now. Ghanaians, genuine Ghanaians that are in Togo, they come to Ghana right now as we speak. What's it? No, the point is that Ghanaians that are in Togo and Ghanaians and Togolese that are in Ghana, they pass through the approved borders and go because they will check.
Open borders.
They have not open borders, but President Relaxi, South particular Senegal. The nationals of Ghanaians in other countries who want to come. Okay.
Who want to
and not being not all to say they blame Akofa every some other countries are Sadia, Yafa plane Kotu. All Casano, no fin who say or see border lines, nanti a omu nanti ko nanti ba. And you want us to take plane and go to Togo and carry them. Wrong. And sometimes on your platform now we're telling na who show it. And yes, upe can sama. Sorry.
Electoral Commission for recommendation. And one make you say we are just saying na bufu bi to go back to aba o make you mudin. Jabane mo aye na so we ni abana ka so so no. Decision is say
and abana na say there.
So yeah.
Or make sure say register na ya be no Ghanaians unko na one retire.
If I heard you right, what say? Omokoba Ghanaians in Togo.
Mami said to you.
And then no, let insist the people.
Who check police here? So there's one war.
No, what's a Ghanaians?
It's like a walking distance. You don't even know where is check police and where is Togo.
Can I come in with my question?
Please come.
What's a Ghanaians in Togo?
Yes.
Omun your opportunity.
Yes.
Eba Ghana. And I Togo for also quite to me Ekoba. So under no circumstance, and be as a sign of Kosobia. Ubesu be a non so to go cancel, no so in a bush of Ghana or Besano. Yes, sir.
But they have not stopped anyone to want to come and strike.
So why?
They are saying,
why are they there?
They are saying, sir, they are protecting the borders. Say, you will not infiltrate. And now, spinning, Emmanuel Luke said it is only kept yourself. It is not true.
Okay.
All the borders, all the border towns, it is not only kept yourself. All the border towns. You see, near me, you say, me court na baby and can some evidence. Have you seen the border towns?
No, we know the border towns in the country.
Me see, this is from Ghana Army. They are telling you where all the soldiers are. And they say, me border border now, you can locate soldiers now when you go. It is not only kept yourself. You see, so if we have to continue to spin and spill lies, now and causing panic and fear now. Check near end is 4 years before you better do the way. Now we see, Obia Obeka say you better new voter registration. This country will burn. And I have free hope. You see, we didn't attack them, we did not reply in the same manner. You see, we are law abiding. You better call us. Later, a chair who say, and no engage one, only go court. And I have few more. Even when they lost in court, they came out and began to deceive Ghanaians and said, court will see or Taumuchi. These are all creations Omudi and Nada. Any I don't know how I'm going to describe it in chief, but Omu inflamed passion. What do I say? They will deceive the people and create confusion.
Now the content of the Aflao Traditional Council.
Right.
Willis Omdiaba. Now the people come president. Osha. No, she so. We are okay. And I want to tone the line of NDC.
Thank you very much. Me starting up, me say, Yama cool heads and prevailing. Nananum omu nya obia obet nasikete. Sorry, kokasa. What do I say? And I say put into right and say, how would we call my president? What do I say? NC Sada. Yamu, what I'm saying is that NDC are crying more than they believe. What do I say? They are just making a storm out of a teacup. Now can some way and yes some beer because I did exercise a way. That. But already they have lost miserably and they will lose the income. The better is to start crying loud. Alright.
Good. For the General, now in Yamre CNP from 0543 596 070. Where is Pinia? WhatsApp plan, Gusono, in Japan, Yamre, I can kind of. We didn't come up on His Excellency John Dramani Mahama statement of the Abba Mountain, call on the government of the day. So I'm sure Sabasabian arm, especially say young people for Suda for some part of the Buta region. And across the country, we have other towns will be Honorable, Pimentio, Putie, dear Chamelu Sakai, now we see Pidia. Not as a young Peseto Libia, Obionagan, Libia Uragana, Abapidi, Entina, a soldier for in Buratans. Society.
Mike, say Mike. Then I took on in between John Ghana. So,
speculations. Any evidence to back that?
Uti, Honorable, Fra, also Cassava Bomidina 28 years tribal politics has never profited NDC. The facts, some year as some member, the quite the why or so. 28 years of tribal politics has never profited NDC, and it's about time they do politics of issues and stop that tribalism.
This is a stronghold.
Uti, Uti, say Omojai, say Omonka North for the debut. What does it? Because almost said the gene there wasn't what they were saying. With him, what I say? You first vice chairman of regional MPP, Comrade John T. Canada. If you say one a better pass and Kasami, or what Ghana so you should me, as a Comrade Century. Now, she has said near my Yaria Bessie say, we munitino, you are two them to your Comrade Century, who ye fairly cry, say, Mamma. Was say again 20 year a month for us of Bimla. 80 year Pabat was in Seni Pabu. Yes, and Ghana, Yayano cost was in Togo. Yes, see, ye ma foreign a Biama, and in your cool sub borders. Eh?
I was a Ghana for so.
No, Commander Johnny Canada on Gao. The Ghana for how Macao, yet here is the Ghana Togo Funia. Ọmọ Nasunia. What's your farm to go to be so good? And that's what was your farm Burkina Faso to be. And America phobia more your farm was a mongo. Oh, how waka, ho. And the air, I'm here, I know you are. No more trade me near Tuaba. You will say, yes, we are not in the normal times. Yes, I really need okra and I can bet you dinner. Let me tell you. Say, I'm paying. I just say, like, you're tight, but there's an uncle on your paying. Ah, yes, you have a trade the Yamagana for a more Ghana for Tuaba. You're tight borders near my foreigners and may decide my Ghanese. Now, you will hear commander of chief of armed forces, not missing. My Uti, on one being of a person foreigners and me decide the man. But what I say, Tomo UPia. You prefer tribe and no more doors one, a more formal UPia, Neighbor Because of Voterians and they do two groups. I've been joining UP. Ashanti and other northern groups, it was one group. Voterians they did two groups. I've been joining UP. And just say, you incite it will be trouble be against party, it doesn't help.
But is it not surprising? At times, you're sleepy. Say, said the video says, the number of military personnel are almost Ketu South alone. At least, what are I say? Any part of our do I say,
any border town, I'm not before the buy. Koshe soldiers or go or more protected border. What is him will be a DDB? Mean call review, but I have me dear, many Gani, and I have Gani. What is the DDB for Abba? But the Confobina to say you could get the DDB, yes, a Votarian there, MPP form pay us some tomo, almost this time round. The trend is changing over there. That's the secret. Change home. The junior be for trouble, mom said, MPP form pay Votarians as some none yet. yɛ mo nyɛ time koraa na nka deɛ kyɛ PC kan yi na nka yɛ ko create region ɛwɔ voter ka de bɔ ne deɛ o create region a ɛfa so wɔ so o de ase hwɛ development sɛ ba anya hwɛ koraa yɛ nya regional health directorate o de employment abɛkɔ yɛ nya regional education directorate o de employment abɛkɔ resec yɛ nya bi wɔ no ne di ka bɔne a Akufo do yes ko ti region the good people of them no enim say boa ho it is your creative region na o ti ase o titim na ei ye di development ko bo bi o titim ko ka sa be chom ka bo do be ye wo no ko the culture ti region for say Akufo do creative region no o be so o say mo ti no creative region se ka be ba kuma say be kasa de o kana pa jo ti ase enti ni ma bi wa ye hu say development in Yediba. Now we are talking about voter registration as against pandemic. You want to tell me, sir? Yareninti, Mark Mamina didn't met me. Kasayi. Yareninti, and about to anything Chonitino. Yamo Biamu Biam. Never.
No, intelligence, if he has said,
oh, now the unique room. And no credit be empese beka what they say no credit empese beka na unique woman here you need you registration akoko so you registration akoko so we won't sit down and man non Ghanaians and be deciding by never.
No, but what is the truth? You see, let's be real. No credit is saying because we live in Ashanti region. Some are watching us from Eastern region, Northern region, Greater Accra region. Foreigners one. But during registrations, measures be a I'm going to go up and say foreigners in Mitri.
But that's not only I. I don't know Mokasi Empire, health insurance, any idea in our court.
Okay, so what
does it?
You use passport.
You use passport, you use
Okay, so those are more first way I find the Togo form. So Oba will need passport. Oba will need Ghana and I can. So what's your
Mike? Me ma and the civil da. So we survey.
Okay.
Now go to Togolese or crop Ghana passport. It will surprise you.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Then it means a passport. Okay, you say a year we now. In a swear, they go to this Ghanaian. What you to say? What you to say? On Sinupi said. There are a lot of non-Ghanaians who use your passport. So our register currently, you can credible.
Very good. May say, who are foreigners omukra passport. Don't doubt me. What does it? I know honor. The first in the Paracra passport, what does it mean? Also a Ghanaian. Yes, sir. Okay, now you see a betrayal. Who you Ghanaian? Yes, sir, betrayal. Name me, I say, Quabras in say a Ghanaian. Convert Edna Coca Canada, a doing metro needing. No, so you're Ghanaian now to Togo. You're close to borders, won't you metro dinny? Who cook up an end. Huh, mother? What's the way you're Ghanaian? Won't you Togo? Huh? You're close to borders. Quabras say, first vice Wama into Wazoma because they're moving on fire, and you say, you're close to borders now. Who cook up an end. So we hear as omo ko ye no omo pro omo se omo ma of voters in Tromudina. You have a case. Last year me border more foreigners in me room there. And no problem is saying.
And is it na no so some more come so mo say.
Oh monim. Me dey me hu is nipa bi na efiri mu. Monim. Voters, me bo voters. Especially the traditional authorities na one. And the presidency, the government, it was very good cordial relationship. So if anything of such nature Kwaswa, they will just go, they will book appointment with the president. And then Togo Afede. I know the National House of Chiefs are the president.
Is it that you don't believe the statement now?
May say, Togo Afede, and you know the National House of Chiefs president.
Yeah.
When the relationship on the president team. So are you telling me say Togo Afede will sit down, the president of National House of Chiefs aba pressure humiliating in crop.
It is.
It make an say. At the starting demonstration upon demonstration. Ye be kunipa. Those are ye pepi ye ga just masa. Mo de mo se mo ntura eye. Mama metre. A grew 7 December. Yisi no one hu momobo. Yan two aba no mienu. Wa okra old voter ID card. Koto de o baby. Yeah, new one. Yan so ye beto ne wi a ye be hwe ne ye be kan.
Right.
Dabi ye wi a ye be hwe ne ye be kan. E die bi asi ye mpege di o ba o man de ye mo bi asa o man no. Ti wo de won tu a won tura aja.
Ya tra.
They say at the after the Muslim betre. First no mo so mo ntre. O man ga so mo ntre. Ye be ko court o man be se be after no mo ko court na court an so amo no. E no ma start asase ye this propaganda we ba e fa.
Oguso Sinupi and Comeo Tip. I just said, but in Yaman can from our screen any numbers to go WhatsApp line. Papa so brand in Yaman. Honorable, thank you to every social of winter.
Yo, what's your chairman? Any honorable Premper contradictions, baby. Honorable Premper put your contradiction on what will be a case. According to Honorable Premper, Century Aka Canada, that is the standard. Now, why you don't want Century Canada? But you and I know, say, every day, you are buying our arrangement, and they Ghana for outside ever. Footballers, even on one day, Saudi near there, every day, Dubai for near there. You want to say, why are you wasting our years with Century? What Canada? With Togo border, no? Chairman say, every day, people go and come. You were pushing him. And also here, but on one statement. So on no say ebinumaka Togo ya blocking borders no. Na honorable Premper ka say introninti. Yet KTM beka here no MPP actually no wafi that statement. Why are we confusing them? Chairman say Togo for ne omukoba de bia, he said it, I wrote it, you pushed him. Yet honorable Premper be before me no. We say Century Canada waka and no ye mo hu dewu. Sarkodie was in US. Sarkodie na ire and then the bafu from they have come. There's an arrangement. Inti so to me aboa Century Manaba how pa, but he is not the issue here. Niya can say, you see, in a full statement, no honorable Premper say, the propaganda. These are the things they do. And then Obi Awako Assembly, all these years, does not know, say, dividing a region. Yeah, no, the development ever. Name of development is through the local government. And he was mentioning regional secretariat.
No, but local government, RCC is part of local government. No, regional is part of our local government. No, but your education, you are getting it from that. You of course have to educate you. Because regional is part of local government. If you are doing local government structures, the higher body is the RCC. Then you decide. Unless you don't know. If you don't know how to educate you.
He is not here to educate you.
One way I should understand is we've lived in this country. You see at the district development back. But at the district we are so
gone are the days, those days. Tell me no more.
And honorable Premper should just cool on your car. Or buy and not so then neutral then. Or who use you a but you happen not to do what you do. My camera no. Me a person Ghana 40 and say those in Bota region, Oti region, Omoye Ghana 4. You see, you can say you even just arrived from Hamley or wherever you claim you went to. But those who are living there, they are human beings. At a point, MPP, one of their big people said, there are no individual, there are no human beings there.
Okay,
you see, this is the mentality of the MPP. You can go on and do it.
sɛ ebi so a yɛsi no bi.
Meeting.
Be on Kumo TV. Oshe some wife now they are Sadama at the designer Sami on the Jews are more IFF appetite. I said that and call from Masu Busua Oshe. Send us some of you to the American kind of money and faster that and from Dr. Muhammad Isa Bibu. The cashier said, Yare and Yamo da. Now what do you know? Yarebo one and Home of Grupa. But if I call it me up, now when you drew a Sayare, now it's not a secret. Dr. Muhammad Isa Bibu Nakati, we Seba Center. We are most of the Miabra, Massey and Owo. And he answered the fact of Massey also may call Uju. You do not touch some more and we saw say, oh, call Muhi Seba Center over call. Yaribia Obiano, and no Tunchia, say, Oba, Doctor, I'm a fan of so now go to me, wow, I'm to me at morning, the bra, na Doctor. When you pa the Yoya, tell us when this were, bra, Doctor, with me, have your son so, and Abia. Na ugogu demo hepatitis B na eye wo wakwa enkwa bra na doctor wow na waware awon abo ho pa ya still no ma unya do no e wo his herbal center bra na doctor emo one of the na pempe wa nana ye acclamation of the NPP nana da ko for na Dr. Bawumia of course over the weekend na I think one issue of course so pa no e ko ye say mo ko NDC John Dramani Mahama said in the history of the of this fourth republican about one who modern pa na kra John Dramani Mahama na incompetence party na catch the war. Dr. Bawumia the strategy they say and then getting him on board for the second time and a fourth time as a running mate. What do you seek to achieve as a party?
Dr. Bawumia dear once there is a malaria ni kuroku so can I kuroku ba pa no o yare malaria di kuroku bo wa na ko nti fa Bawumia na find this year sanity Saturday the president said was say this is the second time world cup contest ya Anthony Swaba tembiya no which knows of fire of gym you try and almost say yes to also parliament I think the last time or parliament no and no post and then the second time as president no and now you know a year era Mahmoud Bawumia because it's a good vice president and a running mate and by doing here for now so president no I say strike our good defense or there's a dance rule that's a strike our national defense and so you shani ati what do I say and then what can say what do you know to Uriah Mahama Brown or your vice no be president Senipanko yi.
What have you done differently there? NDC Bawumia.
Oh, now the only crew compare what the young cotton no for 4 years of Mahama former president Mahama never compare 2 years 3.5 years for 2 years of Nana Akufo-Addo and Bawumia. And you see, President Mahama say he was a lucky president, vice president. The whole Yasim, on the vice president, and it's he say, a year you Ramos, a judge man, man is 1 year. And you know, can experience there. Nanka, or no crown and AD president, no. And you were president. Yameton Safreno, no. Yameton the currency. Or sabbing opportunity. It's a better conyasu, president, as an Ghana for a better Obama. But what does it? Now compare the experience the Juma Waye. Not a single position in governance. President Mahama, former president, won't enjoy. Why from MZ unit committee called Kobians and Obedi Assemblyman? What does it? Now be share you Bawumia Chidom. Would you bought President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Now she interventions or the Odiaba. Interoperability issues. Just name them. Just name my interventions be. I know now my energy same say the fourth time I was as running mate and vice president. No energy same say NDC 14 jina na tani popo brebri na bom. To me dem afraid say na do ni option bia than so besa you Bawumia so on into us. When it comes to the numbers and the competent people people who are more than necessary. But time we need brave, we don't change winning team, unless you are tied. And this energetic team, how do you change? Name of Papa Ekosui. Sir, I feel another catch was this year is a year of rules. One will say Ekoso. One will say Ekoso. Yes. What you say? Say, who are dying? Now we assassin. We beat me develop assassin. By dying that than a war, Honda demo, you know. Me money mubumu, never assassin. What you say? As fat, a walk room. I think say, and dear, they be a boy. John is a basso. Because for years for those days, man. As far as lifespan, 20-25 years. And do money mukra no what's a work for. And do was a year acquire for. The one was a year valley was so long. I was here a year also. The one money will come out say huge amount of money. And do more as it's no.
But I say, Massama, or more than say, if in your electoral commission for 9 more dinko, especially what's not. And then the first day I shall say, now they're trading. The question is, what will me? Baby, we are aware of your police station, now. Breben and where I shall say, there's been a lot of issues on that. Me too, on acclamation of the another one, and then bottom hand. Thank you so much.
Sir Mike, what idea? Why in Centrally can my date in any BBR?
June 27th.
Yes.
Transparency International. Ghana named the second most corrupt country in Africa on corruption perception index. I'm yet to read. I've not read it. So maybe you should on
yes.
Facebook. You can.
Yes, one I can make a main come once. One I go do your homework. Maybe I will be to media topic. Nanado Baumia tickets. Ghana for Ehunu, the Omobe to Miayo. Nanado, Ebegie Gano, or Baumia Erbano. Na Ghana, Yeka Eda saying we were around 120 billion. Nanado in 3.5 years. As of December 2019, Nanado the year grew 218. But COVID by Wabugo Bosiani Biake almost almost fight COVID. Omoko World IMF Equity $1 billion. Nina be can build up no. And to compare 8 years of NDC. Na 120. Nanado abe double. Yet he has nothing to show. Mamembo Don Dramani Mahama projector, Bossy or boy, or the year. About educational, maybe among the sector, time news about educational, massive infrastructure development. Yamai University saying 3. Sabano, even secondary level now, E-blocks. You promise 200. Yeah, now 123. Our different state. No 52. You're complete and not free SHS. And my friend be our E-blocks. Sabale a former. It's about Yanko Rose. About Rosa. Mahama Maye say Jerry John Rollins, the Waya, it's true. Sabana Shanti region ha. Asphalt 1992, Nameti Amujo Haya, Nanata Krafi, Nkrimudano, Yaya Amujo Kwaya, I saw it. Now it's almost 30 years. Sananado declare and net 2020 as year of rose. Not the whole year, I say, or the judge year, and also the Biake Council. Nemo omo eni ekwan omo asphalt dano eno nya ne priority ne bia ne se ode na mantem wonim se asphalt no omo ye bedi atutu no omo nya asphalt no omo fa nguo. I can use Atasomaso as a typical example. Once omo ye ebepem Dr. Boateng ho no baabi agrif one ne obonso ho no omo kotra e ko e kire ho. Assemblyman, bonity, was unity. I think what I'm saying is not a fact. Or what teach years, as a me, Omu ya wonsa beka da ban to soko ban 2 years ni ko he meka esi o ka park ho se mi free da ban ba hodo a e ti se de mi free ba bi mi mo obi din mi mo kro obi din. This is what Nanado is telling us. Omo a slogan dem the sisi runabout no kan kan you omo twitwabo. What you are doing to Kankama is not fair. Nipa Kankama parliament. I want to turn the signboard, no, and it's not good. Me and Tessa, me posters or more to tell.
How much still?
And go forward to tell.
Have you made complaint to the police?
I'm here to, and I will do that.
First of all, you need to tell the tears will be natural.
Honorable, honorable, shall also. Honorable.
First of all, you need. Please, you post that all your papa. Oh, why you need to tear? No one here to tell.
Near the person, you Ghana for you now, making sure say NCBO. Almost say for more to do more. That is their slogan.
Of course.
For more to do more of that nepotistic government. President Bia, no, the whole world. President Bia, one by Nebusia for over 50 in the room. Say Yaboba, yet MPP don't see anything wrong. Me hear you. Scandals upon scandals. Winning the entire ama corruption fight into na be we natural. They say Africa, Ghana, number 2. Ye pre wo gidi. The entire man na ye den ama omoye. Abusua ene namfo amamu no. One kasa who be a private jobber. How many of us any idea bushing for babu yadumam to not the whole Ghana? Okay, I say don't they qualify? Ghana you a bushing be a japadio.
Yes. Cindy Bay Kaswa or Secretarians can't boast of anything after 28 years of loyalty to the NDC. Now they don't have any message for them going into the December post. Their only option is to play the tribal card. Say no to tribalism. For more, for Nana to do more. Farouk Tema, I say people with clean conscience fears no presence of security men. So NDC, please spare us with tribal bigotry. What Gotarians want is our policy alternatives, because this time round Eyeza will not tackle anyone. Okay. Mr. Demevlo going for his long deserved leave is right, because okay, I don't think we discussed that one. Was it good evening, Sir Mike, watching you live from Hawaii. Please tell the NPP that what they are doing to us is not fair. Even some of us have voted for them in 2016. So why are they doing this to us this time around? Okay. Taman, me too. Now I think may have a problem with phone message. They are kind of me too.
Alright. Saman, thank you very much. Me pacho. Share. Honorable Minion what he's I can say says because politics be very messy. I say he's an incoming MP.
Okay.
To the Republic of Ghana's Parliament. Until my advice is say so about program is a Sinopedia. Near on kind who say I could down and ever. Me pacho side way of my side.
Transparency International.
Transparency International. All the man who saw Transparency International and can't say Ghana yet second. And you know correct.
I told him that I'm yet to
they say we can't actually yet listen and say and you know correct. Transparency International website na doing. Okay. Here come out US now. Now Ghana ranked 80 out of 198 countries.
Okay.
Ghana is nowhere closer to number 2. We only lost 2 places from 43 to 41. All is here. Have you seen it?
Okay.
We lost 2 places. Have you seen it?
Okay.
This is Transparency International. The whole world can go to Transparency International website right now and check. And see, and then you know. On to me, Embe, Dada, when you breta, on make no opposition at because ye kaya here. On say launching no. His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, Mia Ankasa, my senior brother, or see NBC for no, or Montaka. Kenya, sir, they will not go and pick a manifesto that has a preamble, and they will call the preamble an achievement field. What am I saying? Now I'm going to concentrate on the acclamation because for all the battle but the acclamation for the very first time in the history of the world, Africa, Ghana, the shining star of Africa, has shown the world. And it is coming from the only democratic party, IAMP. Let me begin with the protocols of COVID-19. Did you see it at display? Very excellent. What am I saying? This is a party that believes in the Ghanaian. Niana, His Excellency, the Vice President, Okan, Naba Kubia Niwa, ending. Because former President Kufuor ever can say, near Okan,
right.
You can go to Ghana Statistics Service.
Maybe I want to know what you are afraid of.
Ghana Statistics Service, and check it. Don't go website and pick data or see Ghana Statistics Service. I'm a Ghana Nina, politics. Because not NBC one no more, MPT by no more, NBC by no more. They are for Ghana. It's an institution, public institution of Ghana. Or see, open, not offer data. Why does I share data? Like I said, send a Ghana city and run. Sana eti ana. Share Mamifa and MPP national MPP anthem and Francato. We are the new patriotic party. We are the new patriotic party. The elephant is waiting. We have come to save Ghana. The elephant is a winning thing, and we have won to save Ghana.
Right, I was here. So, Sinupi on Kumo TV. Chairman said, Unisa, and I got in the car. Maybe I'm running to now waiting for a friend at the Abba. Shannon Stars and I guess here, and I get the God's Way casket. God's Way casket. God's Way. The body near me, most of you say, or no, and I have 19 by this year, man, for no one said, do you have to go and Nessica, my dinner? Or what move from that car, necessarily, and I put some this year. Come on. We are Kawa, or say, oh dear, Scapa William from our Munyabutre, a year banner, ye in India, na Ahomadi Sika, Kumasi, Asafo, live around about, or and more. Some will send for Swa, or they are assembly or one, with some more Cassiapa, Boss with casket, or and now this is free more about now, for that. I with me, our friend, Sabria to me on 024 0200. 603-602 Oh, Fra Padaroma. Now, while lower the volume of your TV set, now to me at your team come on the cost for Yamia Mocha, deployment of military personnel in our borders across the country, and the NDC for Air K to South region. Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening. Hello. Good evening. Too bad. Hello. Okay. Oh, Fra, now what you want from one of the Hello. Good evening. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Five Naja.
Yeah, they are free for you.
Yo, me kase fi kwa man kase satro.
Okay.
Kwa from Obra Amwa.
Obra into
Yo, kada mati. Ma na motona agumanta moya na da sama amurka mai yaso yi na yi fima ba ina NDC phone wan kan kwarki tikiti eh so what can 90 good years the 90 good years na sama fa 90 good years na ke juma fa min kuma ba ye for so da saka abaja ba sanka na so bo soro 90 years ejimi na kulafi ndi ya pe wo ba bo ma no ka o ye ndi se fu obi a mekedia no on sha no obi a mekedia on sha no ndi won wa bo ma no pra because 90 years so the show ni mara ke no ni ebre ndi won wa tse
and I now say 40. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
If I tell you who TV no so you want phone on TV. You never pass free.
Baja free.
You never pass free.
You get that kumanti.
Okay, you too.
Madama.
You too.
Program na Rebecca Michira Majin Kaka.
You too.
Na the way of music as say na na do ayeti no wa ya ka me NDC tam ni na the same thing ile metinga na mi hodi ekosu bia ni na pepe na wo say you know mo pese o mo sisano ni eto ya di card for ba mu che o mo de mo so ni a di card na che de to be ni lesson ndi ni nya say o be to be di card ma ye kire mi.
Okay, yeah, Nasipa. Hello, good evening.
Good evening,
That could be.
Mama, Machapa, na mero channel producer na gwa some that channel. Back up my channel na pepe unje ona bo na kutu nsiaso pino bi kan ko planistica Mustapha na Machapa na ituno unje ona bo pepe ko batra baman na unje na to si shaye to a channel papa na chama na tempe ese da ko pebicha no ka die bi me pacho se ye penpunto dia adana santi region kakaka yanti yanche mienu na vota region de ye timi ko chim sha ade bia na kufa do be bia dia se ma oye no minni se beboa me ka se o mo panyi kofo be bia de o kagana fobo professor Tames kana fobo mahama kwa de ne o kagana fobo mu pa Besin se na mekufa de bedi ade no ntichemu ni no fiata tizia papa ne ye no sabi na nche to anka ne podi ana anka ne to na na do de hamne se obekwa akotire fie na ya kokra ne tete na namo onye kwan na.
Okay, ya na se ne mfochi well obetumi abem na afi so etimi afa ye fast that my God's Way casket and afi so his herbal center say omo edom sika so yasen de dwede ne bo so bi aba na hello good evening.
Hello,
good evening.
Evening.
Ria ba free
Atana na piti etem ko bi
o ka free Pristia yentio
next one oba I mention that better you won't have to be on this young and travel and we ba no aba the can yes you are not open and you are yet and can
okay when I say hello good evening.
Hello,
good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Ria ba free yentio
The van mada tijan na kasakra bijama.
Adijama obani yanko
Okay. Evening, sir. Evening, sir.
yentio ba yanko but I meant you TV well hello good evening.
Good evening.
Ria ba free
Kasakra tapa.
yentio obani odin
Bacho, entity for na this is no money. Yayewe. This is about a no. What is the soldier for a good water with almost a lot of contact. Entity for me, can you move to Kenya? You are a cafe. I'm an you're wrong. for Omuna, Abuma, Amaya, or mine, MPC focus on 50 or man, with your motion, Yamu show. Bye bye.
All right. Hello, good evening.
Evening, sir.
Good evening, we are free for another range. I'm not free for you.
Me open here, me kata. Hello.
Yeah, Tio Kappa, we are free. Lower the volume.
I'm on to say.
I'm having a way about.
So me message me want say ana nenu ai baka for yi ya fansa ya papa akufado anya dia oba boa Ghana omo boa Ghana na mi enyum na oba pe wono na fom de na oba ba pe anya se oba boa oman no anya ta wotina bi ntira e kokko twere ye twiro dancing up for the whole Ghana. Dancing up. Evening, sir.
Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay. Yeah, Japan, influence. I am no. I am influence. Na Shenson. Say, na yeah, the adensi nkomo. The bro. Bro. Hello, good evening. Yes, I'm having two calls. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir, Mike.
Good. You never afraid if you're not right too.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, fine.
Papa, I am not what you can't do what. No, what you are not done. Yes, Papa. Did you understand? And the one
because I don't know. When network in MY, young fantasy, or Arma, Pacha, the network in MY, we are on MY. Hello, good evening. Okay.
Hello.
Good evening, you are free.
Good evening.
Good evening, you are free.
The first program.
That's right, into you.
Program, and now to see about that.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, fancy. So say check. Na yeah, the adensi nkomo. Say O2 Foundation. Kwa so do fiso. Obe wire. Bia wi abenya odan. Na bedem na ebe bia Mickey's Lodge no. Eno ele de bravo. Ibe wi no na wangasa no. O 3 story go de na kosi. Ewo komase ya. Sa kwa na kosi bi mu takare. Chane so pa enche kra ya Niki. Eddie Mediano, but I am Quazim, Yenchemusian for Carmen, and Emusian for in at the Chamo, and was in the Western with the Council, and we are in Libya. That's why I said, Mama Faith in Libya, Italy, and across the world, the Chamo. Honorable, you're going to cry just 30 seconds.
Yeah, Slamik, I think that the Kenya is our channel started voters registration exercise. No,
information. I can tell you, sir. My survey. A lot of people are not being Mobiano. Mobiano got to say, we name police station because I said the
majority. Yes. My manufacturers, so our China, you were 28 polling stations that are registration. And I will share so China. 28 years started first phase no. So if we are now the next, I know everyone on the 4th. So on the 6th, no, now you want another the second phase. And yes, watch out the Denyame A and B. Oh, no, but I just said Denyame. 28. Zamakuti, watch out the Nyame Baye. Quadras are status for mental Baye, Assemblies of God, so called by Baye, and you know, Yabaye, Kajase, but Southern Treasure member who must be and in charge of revenue mobilization. Okay, and I'll take the gun. That's how who needs us. So give me a now, Kuma would watch here. Who is here? So, I think I'm a privilege. No, I mean, meet you. Yes.
His Excellency the Vice President. Okay, Sunday around. I am in the power. Namanka samu hana samsoya you name it. I'll say, if you have the best of vice presidential candidate, Nasa your only enemy, or you're indecisive and incompetent, they will not help. Okama, the late vice president, Yami Anfanikra NCA, and then that Senena Okabe, and this is for Omun Kai.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe a review. Oh, but I see.
He was the vice president.
Tabalusa said to Ashanti Regional Coordinator, Hefra, and then NBB Communication Team Member, and I will tell you. Honorable.
Nyame Emfa PK, Sana, Omo Nipa, friend, and Sata, Ekra, NC.
Who's our contact?
And yet, you be a bidding common, wouldn't say a Busia. And who MPP ni won to me no nchen nyame fa
ona kai wo kai se pike hu ye lazali we
afi na edu me so MPP fo mi enu aka say wi afi na edu me ni parliament kasa e o say ya ma
kai ya ka wo sha se no na kai
nyame fa His Excellency John Evans Atamels and so clear NC we said Ghana wa ye kono wo a wo hwe ye ene wani nje nanado amamuo no ho say ye usika na ahye bank egugu ne na busuafo egu bank yi ana ye wa kwan na enye hospital bi a wonsi ye hwe wasetrem adru die hia pa echina baabi a wo bi aset emna na so say wo area mo ko register bo mo de na ko register. That is the only way at 7 December wo benya 2 million ato ama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abeto wani nduma pa no so nana nado akwahwe ne nana no na akra wanya wre kakra Ghana for ye ni enigye mu but munya reche mu akabusu minnu nyame na odi atwa 3 years of an unbearable government like another government odi ebetwa
right
so what we do is man no we say man so for example so much e dey dem bet you dey say man
you pass on say organization under the fact
a parliamentary candidate for the NDC in CS constituency in Ashanti region and also Otenika. Ever said and Farmer Muhiz Herbal Center, Dr. Mohammed Isa Review, and our face Goswell Casket. Some say as we know a brave more. And they production crew no Niki, the cameraman, and then Kobe Frank, MCR, VTR, Loretta, and our face Augustina, the producer. Bena ate the producer Samuel Kwabena Dakom aka Sam Dakom so no also a director should know it me at the nyame shamu na onka ho nyame eya adom na dobre machina besa ate kabare sele so se wachina na electoral commission ebia to young trade those in western region especially elembele mon contribute pa na idru ha unu de osamuye na afi so obi atwene din ne dru ha nkoto ba amentia honorable Kwesi Bonzo you are DC for Elembele constituency and I said Elembele district chapa NDC na me adoma wetie